So here we are on my Webflow project, and I have a static component. I have a grid with the class of blog underscore list, and this blog underscore list is set to display grid with 3 columns. And inside this blog underscore list, I have 3 child elements, each with the class of blog underscore item. And as you can see, each of the elements in this blog underscore item line up. So our headings are all on the same line, the paragraphs are all on the same line, and our link blocks are all on the same line, even though the content length between them differs in size. So you can see the paragraph in the second card is much shorter than the other two, yet the link blocks are still aligned with one another. And how I'm able to accomplish this is my blog underscore item is set to display grid, but in the custom properties, I gave it a grid template rows of subgrid. And what subgrid allows me to do is align to the parent grid. And so what I want to accomplish is I have a collection list on my page with my CMS items, and I want to apply the same subgrid to my CMS collection. So what I'm going to do is with this collection list selected, I'm going to give it the class of blog underscore list. And now I have my 3 column grid. And I already went ahead and pasted in this div block with the same elements that were in blog underscore item. But watch what happens when I give this div block the class of blog underscore item. It doesn't quite have the same effect as the static content. And the reason this is happening is because when you have a CMS collection in Webflow, Webflow gives you 3 items by default. You have your collection list wrapper, you have your collection list, and you have your collection item. Well, in order for subgrid to work, this blog underscore item would need to be a direct child of this blog underscore list. So we need a way to bypass this collection item so that the browser views that it's not here. And luckily there's a secret display property we can use so that the browser views blog underscore item as a child of blog underscore list. And so what we're going to do is we're going to select this collection item, and we're going to go down to custom properties, and we're going to say display. And for the value, we're going to give it a value of contents. And now it works. And what display contents does is it bypasses that specific item as if it wasn't there.